One day, all of a sudden, you find out that you are no longer a citizen of the country that you call home. It sounds a little impossible, like something out of a novel, but it is the fear that some are grappling with after US President Donald Trump announces his plans to end birthright citizenship. The idea has stirred concern, particularly among Indian Americans, and some rumors have even suggested that Usha Vance, wife of Vice President J.D. Vance, might lose her citizenship too. So what's the truth behind these claims? But for that, first let us know that what is birthright citizenship. Birthright citizenship is the principle that anyone born in the US automatically becomes a US citizen regardless of their parents' nationality. Trump argues that system is being misused, with some people coming to the US just to give birth and secure citizenship for their children. What is commonly referred as the birth tourism, which is very prevalent. To address this, Trump signed an executive order on January 20th, 2025. This order states that children born in the US after February 19th, 2025 will automatically be granted citizenship unless at least one of the parents is a US citizen or holds a green card. Now question arises that is Usha Vance at risk? Well, no. Usha Vance is not at risk. She was born in San Diego, California on 6th of January 1986. Since she was born well before the rule takes effect, her citizenship is completely safe. The executive order only applies to the children born after 19th Feb 2025. So there's no threat to her US status. Well, any rumors circulating about Usha losing her citizenship are simply false. But what about Indian American families who live in the US? While Usha Vance is unaffected, the new order could significantly impact many Indian American families. The Indian American community is one of the largest immigrant groups in the US, with over 5.4 million people, and many families rely on the birthright citizenship as a way to secure a future for their children. Well, under this rule, children born to the parents on a temporary visa, such as work or student visa, would not automatically receive the US citizenship. So this could actually create a complication for these children, including a lack of access of benefits like government scholarships, legal protection, eligibility for citizenship, and many more, including security. This could also force many parents to consider relocating to Canada and Australia just because of their lenient immigration rules. The change could also impact industries in the US that rely heavily on immigrant labor, such as technology and healthcare. There are so many challenges surrounding this, but also legal challenges are on the horizon. Trump's executive order is already facing opposition in the courts. Organizations like ACLU are leading the charge against this order. It's expected that case will eventually reach the US Supreme Court, and even if the court upholds the rule, it may take years before it is fully enforced. During this time, affected families would have an opportunity to prepare and plan for the potential changes. While they plan for it, the bottom line is that Indian Americans have no reason to panic at this particular stage. While Trump's rule could create challenges for families in the future, it is important to remember that legal processes are lengthy and subject to change. Usha Vance is a US citizen born on American soil, has no risk for losing her citizenship. However, if the rule does move forward, it could have a significant implication for Indian American families. So what do you think of this proposal? Do you believe it's a fair way to tackle birth tourism? Or do you see it as unfair burden on the legal immigrants? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.